I'm not going to do it, but I'm done. But I'm done. I'm done. But I'm done. But I'm done. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
No, wait. Stop.
William!
Stop resisting.
What is this?
Stop resisting. Now you're not cooperating.
Give me a fucking breathalyzer quick, please.
Okay, can you step up here?
No, you can bring a breathalyzer to me and I'll do it right in front of your camera and my camera.
Yeah, the camera's right here.
Good. I'm gonna step in here and you can give me a breathalyzer.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you need?
Well, I'm here to talk to you about something going on with your son, but I don't know if you want to.
About what?
About him getting explicit stuff on his phone.
Yeah, but that doesn't have anything to do with you.
Okay, well, it's the child who has possession of a phone that may have.
It's the possession of that phone was from my wife, okay? Ex-wife.
Your ex-wife.
Right, and it's a.
Owns that phone?
Well, you'd have to look at the laws. I know the laws about it.
Okay.
And it's a phone that, right. Okay. But it's a phone that, now she has now switched the iCloud.
Okay.
And so I confiscated the phone.
Okay.
Once I found there's explicit material because the iPhone, the clouds have crossed. So this is civil. You don't deal with civil. Okay. Correct?
Not necessarily. We
Well,
what certain
like I said, she can get a court order for the phone.
Okay.
Okay. The phone is right now. It is in a locked safe, and my son does not have any possession of it. He didn't see.
You're not willing to show me those explicit photos.
No, I'll take that.
Seen it, then
No, I can take that to Department of Child Services if I need to, but I de-escalate stuff. So I'm going to take that to Dr. Layton, who's his new psychiatrist or psychologist, and we'll go ahead and do it from there.
Okay. So again,
So Leslie called this, right?
Who?
Leslie?
Kim Anonymous.
Okay, well, this would be from my ex. So he has not been in possession of it. And as soon as I saw those explicit things between her and somebody else, I immediately took the phone and it's a crazy,
Is this a mutual phone?
It is not. And it's a contempt in that fact too, because the judge has said that phone is not supposed to be over here because it has not been a mutual phone. A mutual phone would mean that both of us had full access to the phone, like parents, co-parenting should have. That both of us have.
Don't you guys have documents saying that the child must come to and from each of you?
We do. House? We have a complete settlement. But you see, this is somebody who, like this other person, is beyond bipolar on the personality disorder, who does whatever she wants to do, regardless of the consequences. So I called and said that I'm going to take this phone yesterday at his appointment. In the lobby, that this was going to go to Department of Child Services, that I was going to do this and that, because this is a long line of stuff. But see, unlike you guys, I try to de-escalate things.
All right. Well,
right. I mean, even when
pictures,
no, it's not
sent to a phone and they have possession of the phone.
He doesn't have possession. No, you don't.
We need to make sure that your child is not being.
I'm the parent. I'm the parent, though. So there's no way. As soon as I saw any of that, I took it right away. And I told her of what was happening. We had the same problem 7 years ago of having the same iCloud and having messages. My messages go with. Wait a minute. Can I talk?
I'm just trying to.
This is a civil. It's not.
You have together,
it's not. It's something that she's had contempts against before, because it's not. I mean, a mutual phone is supposed to be something that we both have equal access.
Share an account together, like a cell phone service, or is this completely?
It's
separate?
all under her service, right?
I'm not going to explain anymore. I've explained enough. I've explained enough. He has
no.
You don't have to worry about it. I take care of my son, and I also put a distance between who I call the.
Okay.
Right.
We don't want things to escalate either. So this is why I'm asking you. That cell phone service, she pays for it, correct? It's under her contract. I
don't know. It's been turned off. And last time, you know what? This is civil. So unless you have a warrant for an arrest or a search warrant. Good night. Goodbye. Thank you. It is. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do it. But I'm done. But I'm done. I'm done. But I'm done. But I'm done. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. No, I'm not going to give you a thing. I'm not going to give. Then escalate it. Escalate it. Escalate it.
Let's go.
You can't.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait a minute.
You want to go?
No. Wait.
Stop.
William.
Stop resisting.
What is this?
Stop resisting. Now you're not cooperating.
Stop.
You came into the phone.
For what?
Put your hands behind her back.
For what?
Put your hands
For
behind
what?
her back. Dude, put your hands
For
behind
what?
her back. Put your hands
Am
behind her
I?
back.
You didn't. Look. This is. Wow. This is another one. This is going against it again. Hey, William, my son is here.
So cooperate with me.
All right.
So stop moving your arm.
Let go. Let me out of the cuffs, and I will cooperate. You didn't.
Do me a favor. Step outside for me.
No,
I'm not
this
doing
is
this.
not, this is not, this
Step
is,
outside for me. If you don't
you're
want to
doing
step
it in
outside,
front of my son right now.
And we're trying to avoid that. If you don't mind stepping out.
For what?
Step outside.
For what?
Step outside.
What are you doing? For what?
So you're gonna either come with me or you're gonna give me possession of the phone. Which one you want to do? You're gonna leave your son here and I have to call mom to come get him, or you want to give me a phone? Because either way, it's grand theft. So again, you don't want
It's
to give me a
grand
phone.
theft?
Yes.
It's it. All right, I'll get the phone. I'll go get the phone.
Now you want to get the phone.
I will get, you just gave me that option, correct?
So I'm gonna walk
you
with
just,
you over there.
That's fine. Out of here so my son doesn't
I
see
will-
it, and you can't just pull when I'm fucking doing this. Right.
It's recording.
Right, it's not recording.
We're both
It's-
recording. So let's go. It's
Who
fine.
were you recording on what? You don't have a body cam?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, you
Let's
do.
go.
No, take the cuffs off.
I-
Take the cuffs off.
So you
I've
gonna
already
flip on me?
taken. No, I'm not going to do anything.
Okay.
I will get the
I'm
phone.
gonna give
I
you the
will do
opportunity.
exactly what you asked. I will get the
I want the phone and
I will
want
get the
nothing
phone.
else.
I will get. That's right. That's what will happen. And this is an illegal detainment. I mean,
No, it's not.
what is it then? What is it? What is it? It's grand theft when it comes in.
A phone that you don't pay for.
You don't even know.
I do, actually.
You do?
Yep.
You do?
Why do you think I'm here?
You came in here.
Go give me that phone, please.
This is. You see, William, I've already taken all of the stuff off of there that I need
that's
to
fine.
take.
That's good.
This is, and you took it
Okay.
from Leslie.
Give me the phone.
And this was
Give me
what?
the phone.
A witness.
Give me the phone.
William has the witness. Move, please.
Give me the phone.
Move, please.
I'm staying right here.
Nobody is doing anything.
I'm
I
saying
have
right-
nothing, right? You know I don't have any
I don't
weapons,
know
right?
that. I know
You
that.
know that I don't have anything.
I don't know that. Can you get
You
the
can't
phone?
just came into my house. What?
you get the phone?
Unlawfully? Was that
Can you
lawful?
get the
Was
phone?
that lawful?
Can you get the
No, it wasn't.
Can you get the phone?
It fucking wasn't lawful. Dude, you are, I mean, how do you know that's the phone?
Because I got the case. Thank you.
Oh, because the case is like, right, that's unlawful? Is that unlawful? Right. You just came into my house.
Do you want to come with me instead?
No, I just get you, we just did exactly what you asked for, right? You came into the house without any fucking, right, exactly. This is about as bad as it's going to get. It's not going to get any worse for you. And your name and badge number. Your name and badge number. Name and badge number. You're required to identify.
4509.
And your name?
Rahale.
And your name, ma'am? What? And badge number? What is it? All right, that'll be noted in that civil suit, like I said. You're in it too. This is madness. This is crazy. Take it to DCF. Take it to DCF and you determine what it is, because it's a phone that he's been using, okay? I don't have the passcode. It's a phone that he's been using. Take it to DCF or DCS, because it's a phone that he's been using, and I wrote her the statute that said no, he cannot own a phone until he's 13. But there is explicit material that got crossed up in that, and the stuff has been there since February. So that's what's going to happen. It's not just going to be given into possession of her, because there is explicit material on there. Very explicit. Okay? It's DCS. Dumb fuck. All right, William, you see that? Huh? Do you see that? Huh? What?
Just when you think the tension from the first encounter couldn't get any higher, this next stop takes it to a whole new level. A driver gets pulled over for speeding, but what starts as a simple traffic stop quickly turns into a heated confrontation. The officer accuses him of smelling like alcohol, but the driver claims he's been sober for 120 days and demands a breathalyzer test on camera. Who's telling the truth here, the cop or the driver? And how will this standoff end? Stay tuned till the end and tell us in the comments what you think about how this officer handled the situation.
Hey, bro, what's going on tonight, man? Are you doing okay, or like, what's the issue?
I don't have an issue.
Okay. What's the reason for the speed tonight?
I don't have a reason. He said I was 180 and 65. No reason.
80 and a 65?
That's what he just said.
Why are you going so fast?
I didn't know I was 180 and 65.
Okay, where are you coming from? Okay, where are you headed to?
Doesn't matter on the notes.
Okay, how much have you had to drink? You smell strong alcohol.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really? It's funny. I've been sober for 120 days. Nice try, though.
I'm sorry?
I've been sober for 120 days. Nice try, though. Okay.
120 days?
Yeah, 120 days.
Okay. Why are you so disgruntled?
Because I'm on a fucking road right now. I'm about to get hit by a car, and I don't like it at all.
There's
And you're accusing me to smell like alcohol? Give me a fucking breathalyzer real quick, please.
Okay, can you step up here?
No, you can bring a breathalyzer to me, and I'll do it right in front of your camera and my camera.
Yeah, the camera's right here.
Good.
You're
I'm gonna stay right
closer
here,
to it.
and you can give me a breathalyzer.
Okay, yeah,
Good.
we'll gladly
And
do
you can
that.
apologize after the fuck you sit there and said you smelled alcohol on my breath.
Brother, I can smell it.
You can smell it?
Yeah.
Really?
Is there any reason you're being so...
Yeah, you just accused me of fucking drinking. I'm sober.
I didn't accuse you of anything. I
You
just
said you
asked you.
smell it.
Yeah, I asked you, why do you smell like
I don't
that?
smell like I'm drinking a fucking water.
Okay, you don't have to swear.
I
I'm
can
not
swear
swearing
all
at
I
you.
want. I can swear all I want.
Okay.
Why you do that? I'll get started on this ticket.
But take a deep breath and blow. Right, so way too hard. What I mean is
Oh, way
like
too
you're
hard? Okay,
like
come
you're
on,
blowing
let's
out a
go.
candle on a birthday cake. Perfect. There you go. Are you okay? You're shaking. You making you nervous or anything?
Oh, hurry up.
All right.
What's it say?
Step up there for me.
What's it
Okay.
say?
Yeah, you're right. It's
Thank you.
there's odor,
Thank
brother.
you. Can you apologize now?
No, I'm
It's
not
fine,
going
smell-
to. It's
You
odor.
can't
I
apologize
just
for sending
explained to
smelling alcohol on my breath.
you. No, I can't. I'm still smelling it. Maybe I need clothes. I don't know. There's perfumes and all kinds of stuff. That's why we talk to people. Okay, but step right up over here for me. Okay, it's gonna get you a ticket.
Yes, sir. So I am citing you for 80 and a 65, okay? I did check my radar, did test accurate, all right? By sound you're not admitting guilt, you just an you're gonna take care of your ticket, okay? All right, sign right here for me. Any questions for me, sir?
Smell alcohol on me?
Say again?
Smell alcohol on me?
Yeah, they do this smell like alcohol. Have a good day.
Both of these encounters reveal something deeper than just traffic stops or ID checks. They show the fine line between law enforcement and personal rights. In the first video, the officer approaches without a clear reason, and the man immediately stands up for himself, demanding accountability. In the second, what could have been a routine stop turns into a test of honesty and professionalism, as the driver challenges an accusation that could easily ruin someone's reputation. Together, these moments remind us why it's so important to know your rights and stay calm when authority is tested. Because one wrong assumption from either side can change everything. What do you think? Were these officers acting fairly, or did they cross the line? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more real-life moments like these.